Hi, my name is Kenneth West. I graduated from the Culinary School of Fort Worth. Every day we would spend time in the classroom and transfer over into the kitchen where we learn knife skills and other various techniques, just sauces and frying and pan frying. There's a lot of hands-on training. During that time, we got to take various field trips to multiple locations.
Coming to this school, we have a wide range of knowledge and experience levels from our instructors. We try to cater more to the students. So you're getting more of a one-on-one with our instructors.
And then we got to transfer over to an externship site where we got to do more hands-on training and really honing the skills we learned here at the school.
Our externship program is 8.5 weeks, and it's the last 8.5 weeks of the program. It's a opportunity for the students to go to a site that maybe matches with what they want to do with their careers, but also matches their skill set.
Two ways of learning, and one is on the job, so people learn better that way. Some people learn by going to culinary school, and I find that those who go straight from having a job working in industry can still be successful, but at the same time I think your rate of success is higher when you go to school. So that's my experience with those who have gone to school and those who have not been to school.